Hey friends, this is Atif for Well and welcome to the new update on CELER token. Recently, they had a really very big event of stacking mainnet launch on 30th of June, and this announcement was added on CoinMarketCap on 9th of June, and this was also added on their roadmap. And if we watch the live chart, on 9th of June, when this announcement was added by the coinmarketcap.com, the price action from here up to this level surged more than 54%. You can see after a very next candlestick, the price action started the bullish rally as it was already moving at the support of this up channel that is formed on the daily chart. At this time, the price action after hitting at the support again at the same level where it was reached in the month of June, and this is the most recent highest price of this CELER token. And at this time, the price action also crossed up the EMA, the exponential moving average 10 and 21 as well. And if we watch this Bill William alligator indicator that I have placed, this is the combination of three moving averages and really very important and useful indicator to catch the bearish and bullish moves and rallies of the price action of any asset. And this is the smallest time period of moving average. This green one is with the time period of 5, and this is with the time period of 8, and this blue one is with the time period of 13. This is called lips, this is called teeth, and this is called the jaw of alligator. Whenever we have the smallest time period moving average above all and the biggest time moving average below all the moving averages, then it is indicating that the alligator mouth is open. That is a buying signal or a bullish signal. And when we have this smallest time period moving average below all the moving averages and this biggest time period moving average above all the moving averages, then it is a sell signal or a bearish signal. Therefore, we can use the combination of this indicator with the combination of channel, because these are very small time period moving averages. Sometimes these moving averages or this indicator can give us a false signal. Therefore, in order to avoid these false signal, we need to use some combination of some other indicators or some other pattern as well. Like for example, we can use in a way that if we receive a bearish signal that we had the smallest time period moving average below all, then we have the teeth, then we have jaw. So this is a sell signal, but we need to understand whether the support of the channel has been broken down or not. If the channel support is not broken down, then we should not sell and we should hold the coin, in this case the token, and we should wait for the breakdown of the channel with the sell signal by the William indicator. And at this time, we are having the bullish signal and the price action is moving above this Bill William 3 lines or Bill William indicator. And the most important move that the CELER token has formed with the US dollar pair is the formation of this bullish butterfly pattern. This is the initial leg, and this is a long-term weekly chart. And after initial leg, the price action is retraced between 0.618 to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level. This is the first confirmation of the bullish butterfly pattern. And then we have the projection between 0.382 to 0.886 Fibonacci projection of A to B leg. Then the price action has been retraced all the way down up to this level between 1.27 up to 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level. This 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level is in negative territory, and it is not possible for the price line to move up to that level. I've just placed this pattern up to 1.618 Fibonacci level only to show you the perfection of this pattern. Otherwise, the price action has found the support at $0.00133. So this is our stop loss, and this is also our support level as well. So we can consider the potential reversal zone that starts from 1.27, that is $0.00206 up to $0.00133. So this is our potential reversal zone, and after hitting the potential reversal zone and this support, that is $0.00133. The price action has moved up, and at this time it is moving towards this Fibonacci projection there. And realistically, the price action can enter in this area as per Fibonacci sequence of the bullish butterfly, the harmonic bullish butterfly pattern. And this is the projection of A to D leg from 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci projection, and our sell target zone can be $0.0071 up to it's mean 1.9 cents. So we can have an expectation that the price action can move up to 1.9 cents. So this can be up to or more than 1,300%, really very big move. And I have placed this Fibonacci tool from A to D leg. Otherwise, the price action can move up to the calculation from A to this support of 0.00133 and the Fibonacci projection of this level. But for the safer side, I have placed this Fibonacci tool from up to D leg that is in the negative territory. Otherwise, it will be the sell zone would be more up. And in actual, the price action can move up to more up. And if the price action will be able to cross at this level, 0.786 Fibonacci retracement or projection, then it can turn more bullish. So this is a really very big bullish setup, like the KNC I've shared that produced more than 930%. I shared XVG that produced more than 530%, and many more patterns I have shared. They've also formed such bullish harmonic moves like butterfly and crab patterns on the weekly, and some was on the monthly chart. Same as like those patterns, it has also formed such move, and so far you can see that it is moved up to this level. I'm expecting that soon it will be entered here. So this was the update so far by the price action of CELR, the Celer token. If I'll have more updates, I'll definitely share with you. If you have any questions regarding this move of harmonic pattern or any other move that I have shown you in this video about any indicator or any moving average or move, you can ask in the comment section. I'll try my best to reach out your comments as soon as possible and to reply them. And if you can share my videos, then do share, and do subscribe to my channel as well, and do hit the like. Take care. Goodbye.